Are you looking for the best solar panels for RV? Here we will break down the top 6 solar panels for RVs on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. HQST 100W panel. The panel is made of anti-reflective, high-transparency, low-iron tempered glass that has enhanced stiffness. This combination also makes it impact-resistant so that it can handle heavy snow loads and high winds. It has super high conversion efficiency and performs well in low-light locations. That means you're looking at this one if you plan to live in or travel often to places that frequently have heavy cloud coverage and overcast skies. It's also waterproof and can even handle low-pressure water jets if you need an easy way to clean it. The cells are made of advanced materials that protect them from the environment. It's high quality, incredibly durable, and works well in low-light settings. This makes it an incredibly beneficial solar panel for anyone who resides or travels frequently to low-lit areas that have tons of cloud coverage. For a polycrystalline panel, the HQST is our highest rated, and most people who own the panel love it. At number 2. Renogy 100W Monocrystalline Solar Power Starter Kit. It's lightweight and easy to install and cost-effective enough for you to get a real feel for the solar power situation without spending a wad. This is especially true because everything you need to get started comes with it. It's also really well built and designed to last for a long time to come. This unit is a starter solar panel kit. You aren't getting a lesser quality option here that will need to be replaced later on. You can upgrade with different elements, though, of course. Also, you can add in more solar panels for your RV, either monocrystalline or polycrystalline, to increase the power for the kit. It's generally easy to mount, easy to use, and the whole thing is included to get your solar power started. At number 3. Renogy 100 watts 12 volts monocrystalline solar panel. The RV solar systems are some of the quietest and eco-friendliest power sources on Earth. Installing it on your vehicle will ensure that you will enjoy your trip, while also experiencing the convenience of having continued power for your electronics. When shopping around for one, you must look for a reliable solar power kit that will also give you the chance of charging the RV batteries continuously. It's one of the most recommended and top-rated kits around because it has a long lifespan for its durable and heavy-duty components that can deal with the changing weather conditions. Another thing you like about the Renogy 100 watt solar panel is that it is ideal for charging a 12V battery. This model can also be wired for multiple panels in a series connection for charging 24 or 48 volts batteries. One more thing you might want to know is its ideal output, reaching up to 500 watt-hours daily, although dependent on the availability of sunlight where you are. Finally, you would also like to recommend this solar power system because of its good warranty. It comes with a 5-year workmanship and material warranty and 25-year transferable power output warranty. At number 4. NEWPOWA 100 watts 12 volts polycrystalline solar panel. This system can offer a generous 100 watts of power, and thanks to its high-efficiency system, that can charge your RV battery quietly. The versatile solar panel kit is one of the most reliable, too, and it can be used for marine, off-grid applications, boat, and modular RV. If you're looking for a solar panel kit that you can use for a wide range of applications, you should not search anymore if you have the NEWPOWA solar panel kit, because you can also use it at home or in other uses. Another thing I liked about the polycrystalline solar panel is its long warranty of 25 years in terms of the transferable power output. The kit is also complete with the things you need for setting it up, including its pre-attached 3 feet of MC4 cable. When reading portable solar panels for RV reviews, you will also find that the NEWPOWA 100 watts 12 volts polycrystalline solar panel on their top-rated list. One of the things that make it a favorite choice is that it comes with efficient and high-performance cells, which are protected and encapsulated in EVA, and they're placed between the highly transparent and low-iron tempered glass that also makes the solar panel kit durable. The solar panels are also framed with anodized aluminum frames that make the panel more rigid and compact for long-lasting use. At number 5. Renogy 200 watt 12 solar starter kit. The solar panels for RV batteries are one of the best investments to make for RV owners looking for a good monocrystalline starter kit. One of those I liked about it is its feature of recharging the batteries quietly, letting you pay attention to your camping activity instead of the noise coming from the solar panel kit. The solar power system is also one of the best for its ability to provide us with pure and clean power that also does not add pollution to the environment. Using it, you can use your appliances requiring low and limited wattage, and that is without requiring any hookup. It also has a great power output of offering up to 1000 watt-hours daily, but it is dependent on the sun's availability. This unit is also one of the most versatile around, because it can be used for different applications, such as in sheds, cabins, boats, RVs, and trailers. I also like that it can offer great protection versus any reverse polarity, overload, overcharging, and short circuit. These are some of the best safety features that you must be looking for when buying a new RV solar power kit. Within only just an hour and a half, you can fully charge a 50Ah battery, However, it is still dependent on the sun's availability. I also like that it has the 30 APWM Wanderer charge controller that allows you to extend your power kit up to a maximum of 400 watts. It also offers an ideal output reaching up to 100 Wh daily depending on the sun's availability. This kit also comes with a tray cable, connecting your battery and charge controller. Finally, I also like that the kit comes with everything you need to install your new solar power kit. This unit also comes with Z-mounting brackets and MC4 white connectors, which let you install it out of the box. At number 6. Ecoworthy Solar Power Kit. Designed for batteries between 5 and 10 Ah, Ecoworthy Solar Power Kit is a superb model for various low-draw appliances. So if you wish to run pumps, electric fences, gate openers, vent fans, and so on, the kit from Ecoworthy never let you down. The waterproof solar panel included in the kit is made from polycrystalline, simple but practical. Due to the inclusion of handy pre-drill holes, mounting the panel is a piece of cake in most cases. Also, on the back of the Ecoworthy solar panel, you should find a cable that permits immediate use. Aside from the solar panel, Ecoworthy Solar Power Kit boasts a solid charge controller with charge and load indicators. Like the panel, the charge controller in the Ecoworthy kit contains pre-drill holes, so you would be able to secure it firmly. Proofed against over and low voltages, the charge controller handles power fluctuations effectively and efficiently. One interesting feature of the charge controller is the USB port that allows you to recharge smartphones, tablets, and others. The final item in Ecoworthy Solar Power Kit is a long waterproof cable with high-quality clips to connect your battery to the kit. All in all, the kit of Ecoworthy is well suited for RV first-timers.